In front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then tap on Clipboard icon at the top of it, and to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then to go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Following that, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text and then paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. If you wish to pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete one of them instead, use the same pen, but this time when you click on the sentence, tap on pin icon. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!